Hi guys, welcome back to Mahdi's Super Channel. So, my dad, he went to America, he came back and look what he got me. Okay, let's open it. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, look what I got. I got her. Let's open this. Wait. Oh, come here. How's tape? Here, tape. Let's open this and okay. Let's do. Oh. Look at this. Okay, look what I got. I got Titan Alpha Lexa. Wow. The arms move like that. I think the legs don't. The arms move though. And this is an accessory. Okay. And this is an accessory. What I could have gotten, I could have gotten Red Titan, Titan Universe Mommy, Titan Universe Gus, Combo Panda Boss Mode, Super Dad, Titan Universe Gil, Dark Titan, Titan Peck, Robo Titan Ryan, Super Twins Kate, Super Twins Emma, and the Golden Titan Ryan. This one's rare and this one's ultra rare. And also, you can make the character hold it. Oh, it's a little bit, it's like a rubber. And look right here, you have it. Bye guys, make sure you like and subscribe. And remember to always stay super. See ya!